Okay, here we are. I think we're all set up. We got the race cars down at the end of our makerspace table here in our game field. We got our finish line. So the way this is going to work is I'm going to click start on the code, and then we're going to run a timer to see how long it takes our car to come across the finish line. So on the count of 3, we're going to begin in 1, 2, 3. So just about 7.5 seconds. I stopped a little late, but the difference in these mechanisms is so much that you'll be able to easily see at the end the results. So this is a one-to-one, a large pulley to a large pulley. So we're going to disconnect this smart hub here, and we're going to go ahead and get connected to the next one. And in this mechanism, we're going to be looking at a large pulley as the driving gear connected to a small pulley as the driven gear. So that's going to be what the result is of that mechanism. So down here, going to pop that cable back in. We've got a large pulley connected to a small pulley. And let's reset our timer. And we go in 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I actually stopped at that time, and we had just under 5 seconds for that second mechanism. And for this mechanism, it is the large pulley to a small pulley. So we will disconnect this one, and we'll get set up with the next mechanism. So for this mechanism, we actually aren't using pulleys anymore. We're going to be using a 20-tooth gear connected to a 12-tooth gear. So as you can see, we've got a 20-tooth as the driving. It's having a hard time focusing. 20-tooth as the driving and a 12-tooth as the output. So a small gear connected to the axle. All right, let's head on down. Let's get ready, clear our timer, and we will go in 1, 2, delaying for the cable. It didn't pop up. Oh no. Okay, let's try now. Motor's connected. Here we go. In 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got to switch the rotation. 1, 2, 3. All right. In 3.5 seconds almost. 3.5 seconds. So this one, without pulleys, going straight gears, the 20-tooth to the 12-tooth is even faster. All right, let's go ahead and clear. Let's get connected to our last example, the fourth design. The fourth design uses a gear system of a 20-tooth gear to a 12-tooth gear. And because of that, we have a multiplier. So 20 to 12 and multiplied again, which is 20 to 12. So let's go ahead and get connected to this system, and we'll time it, we'll see how it is, and then we'll break down the math at the end to really look at how you can tie this in to mathematics for comparison. All right, so pop our cable in. Not sure why I'm having that issue today. It's been a new Lego WeDo update. That could be what it is. Okay, here we go. So we're going to begin in 1, 2, 3. All right, so I had a little hitch that time. I don't know if you caught that, but my motor actually popped loose here. So I'm going to go ahead and reset that back up. This design is not super strong, and because of the force put onto the gears, it can come loose. It's not designed well because it's not very sturdy at the back. Okay, I think we're ready. Let's do it again in 1, 2, 3. 2.5 seconds. Amazing. So fast in comparison to these other mechanisms, and all of them are at the same motor speed. It's just the gears that make the difference. All right, let's head back over to the table and check out how we can break this down.